Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's vlog guys ay mamimili kami ng stuff. Mga gamit ng ating mga estudyante kasi pabalik na sa school. Mag-start na ulit ang school, kailangan nang bumili ang ating dalawang high school.
Garden mix.
Buti ang elementary kay may magbabayad na lang sa school sila nang bibili ng mga gamit. Pero pag yung high school may mga list na binibigay sila kaya. Ayan. See you guys later. Dito na kami sa loob. Ayan, yung mga gamit ng mga bata. Gamit sa school. Ayan. Aking grade 9. Ito, ang grades 8. Grade 9 and grade 8 guys. Ang aming estudyante. May mga bike sa taas. Aking grade 8. Panganay na girl. Ha? Ano? Okay. Kasama si Boling git namin dali. What? Malayo pa tayo sa mga backpack. Or here. Okay. No, this way. Come here. This way. Here. Where? Wala dyan. Itong gusto daw niyang bag. Ang gusto kong bag. Wala kang type.
I like this one.
Yellow?
It's gonna get dirty easily.
Yeah. Pag light color, syempre mabilis ma-dirty. Lalo na pag nilalapag mo sa school. Ayan na. Gusto mo yan? Ayan, ayaw mo yung black. Ayan o, yung ganyang kulay. How much? Oh, 40. Ay, $36 plus tax. Ayan, ayaw mo yan? You're the same? The same now.
Do you know what the bags are?
Ayan na. Cute din yan, napili mo. Ayaw mo yung ano?
Which one?
Rainbow. Oh, I want the rainbow. But, ikaw ang mamili, anak. You choose. Sa'yo yan eh. Both of them maganda. Yung...
Oh, I got my bag.
Yan na? Okay. Yan na daw, napili niya. Baka meron ka pa dito mas magustuhan. Yan. May mga ba, may 14, 37, 29.
Two though. I can give you one glue stick, but I don't want to.
Ayan, mapipilian ka sa dami ng bag. Kasi magaganda lahat. Bell. There, Bell, oh. Yung nasa baba. Ayaw mo yan.
Wait, I want to see what's inside. Lots of space. And then there's this one.
Maganda rin yan.
I want this one.
But masyadong big. Ayan na daw. May nabili na siya. Ayan. Mga empty na. Kasi mahirap bumili pag yung malapit na. So, kasi isang linggo na lang. 2 weeks. Anong exact date ng pasok nyo, no? September
6, I think.
6?
Or something. I don't know.
Basta second week
I
ang
need
alam
help with
ko.
the binders.
Hindi ko kami. Binders? Ito yung binders na iba, kuya, oh. Here. Ayan, sa baba. Ayan. Diba? Binders. Mag 1 hour na kami, hindi pa rin tapos. Hirap din mamili ng ano. Kasi wala yung ibang dito sa ibang store naman pupunta. Yeah. Ayan guys.
Wait, but do I count the other one? Do I count this one, the pink? Oh. Do I count this one as well? Huh?
Oo.
Okay.
Yeah. Huwag mo nang ilagay.
35.9. Wait, what do you know? This one?
Ayan na. Ang nabili ng ating mga estudyante. Nabili ng ball pen, pencil pen, lahat ng klase ng pen nandito.
Like we are giving these,
Alam ko 200.
you want to donate these, like you can get it for $1 only. It depends upon you. We have these bags for only $3. Like for donations for the children's hospital. If you want to donate, you want to get the $3 one, or either this we can give you this.
The stop is
2.
Two of these.
No, just one each.
1 each.
1 each.
Wanna get
One of them and
One of
stoppers,
these,
you want
right?
stoppers? Yeah.
You want to get which stuff?
Wait, stop kasi. Uwi na kami guys. Natapos din ng shopping ng mga bagets. Nakabili na rin. Lahat ng side. Ganda ng mga flowers.
I'm supposed to be in the
What?
Great Value compact. Oh, I wasn't looking. I was looking at this thing.
Babampo na
I
yung
want to give it to people. I don't want to keep it.
Ayan guys, ang aming vlog for today. Bumili lang kami ng mga gamit ng mga kids ko sa school. Kasi second week, September 6, mag-start na ng klase. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you so much for always supporting us guys. Bye-bye.